Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel Epidemic Sound free trial. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into your Epidemic account. After logging in the Epidemic account, you have to just simply click on these three lines. From here you have to click on the accounts. Now it will take you to your account. So from here it will see that the trial status is on. Now the trial ends on 24 April. Before that I have to cancel. Now just click on the manage subscription. Now you can say cancel the trial. As in the second option, just simply click on the cancel trial, click on continue. Now if you want to choose, you can choose as well. Just click on continue with cancellation. Now I don't need to music right now. Confirm cancellation. Now, what do you like to consider subscription? Again, I'm not sure. Just click on confirm cancellation. So, hope to see you soon, friend. Your trial is cancelled. So, this is how you can cancel the Epidemic Sound trial in very free. So,